What's up, guys? I'm just gonna run through the daily recap. I have the quality shown on my other monitor. It still looks like pixely-ish. It'll keep getting better though. It looks better than it did a week ago. So slowly but surely we'll get the settings down perfect. So it actually fucking looks good. But let's start with mRNA. This was a horrible trade, and it just killed my day, honestly. And it was the first trade I took, which really sucked. So I bought puts at like the 318 level, honestly, with the market just kind of going down. SPY was down at the beginning of the day. Everything was pretty weak. I just saw a good opportunity to buy, and to be honest, I should have waited for confirmation under the 323 level right here. I should have waited for a candle like this and then played it down to there or something along the lines of that. That was just a bad trade. Definitely not making that mistake again. Then we have Tesla. We took calls at 11:30. Okay, let's see here. 11:30. Okay, so we took calls. It was right here. It was right here at 11:40, and the reason behind this one was I took calls because the 783 support is strong. And not only that, but it's bouncing off the 200-day moving average. That was very bullish for me. Those were good trade. That was a good trade. I mean, those contracts went up like 25%, and I was done with them. Yeah, Tesla was a good trade. Another good trade idea today would have been the bounce off the 791 level. Right here, that would have been a great trade. Even right off of open, or the second candle. You had two chances for that one. So, but, is there any more trades that I really want to go over? I don't know, it was just like weird overall. Like, if you look at like any chart, everything was going down off open. Like, this is honestly a solid setup for puts. I think AMD was another great setup for puts right off open too. What was it? Maybe Nvidia. Yeah, I mean, Nvidia is another great setup for puts right off open. There's another good one. I'm trying to think of what it was. I can't think of it though. But I don't know. Today was just overall like a super weird day. Like, this is another good opportunity for puts right off of open. And also I was taking trades not at my desk, which usually don't end up as well. So I'm going to try and break that habit and just legitimately, like, I'm going to make a rule: if I'm not sitting in front of my fucking computer, I'm not making trades unless it's like a third of my size. That's another habit that I need to break. I need to wait for perfect setups just because the market is still not great, and I need to not trade when I'm not sitting in front of my computer because bad things happen. Bad things happen when I do that. Trades usually don't end out as well. Another fun thing to look at was this crypto coin, Shiba, or SHIB, whatever it is. This thing absolutely ripped today. Let's pull up like the hourly chart. Is it not going to load? Anyways, this thing went like 75% today. I bought it like a week ago. I'm thinking about posting some of my crypto plays on here, but I don't know. One more thing I did want to go over today was Apple, because I decided to take calls like 2 weeks out in my swing account. I think this 137 support's strong. I like the curl right here. I mean, Apple's been beat down since its all-time highs. This is the hourly chart. Let's go to like a daily chart. I mean, Apple has been beat down to shit since all-time highs. So I think this offered like a great risk to reward setup. 2 week out calls, they'll be green. Just hope I get the best possible exit on these. But I had that 0.6 bid all fucking day and it didn't get filled. I was really pissed off. It was the contracts I was looking at were at 0.7 up here and at 0.7 down here, which really sucked. I ended up just taking 0.7. It's not even like 0.07. It's not even like a horrible fill. It was just annoying because contracts should have fucking moved, but they didn't. But yeah, one more thing is CEI. Mans mentioned this. The IV was like plus 500 and just trapped a shit ton of people and faked a lot of people out. I mean, the contracts opened up for like the $4 calls at like 170 and we're trading at like 40 cents down here. I actually made 20% profit twice during the day on CEI. But yeah, those, I'd be careful with those with the IV. It is absolutely insane. And just with the overall run up of CEI, I talked about it in the last video. I mean, these 5 days, this is not natural for any stock. So a pullback and a consolidation period would not be a horrible thing for CEI. So don't tweak. If CEI starts to consolidate or even pull back a little bit, it'll just give you better entries for the long term. But anyways, this video was long enough. It was too much of a rant. Tomorrow I will be trading at my desk. So let's get some good plays out.